My name is Peter Hawkins. I work at Qioptic, based in St North Wales, and I'm an embedded software engineer, and I've been working here for approximately 4 years now. So at Qioptic, we work in mainly defence sector, so we work with soldiers, we work with naval, work with aerospace as well, but yeah, we do all sorts of things, so specifically like night vision optics, we do thermal imaging devices from long wave to medium wave infrared. For me, software engineer is someone that plans, designs and then maintains software to meet the needs of a customer. So yeah, my day-to-day usually is work will come in, there'll be some requirement specifications so we know what we need to develop, and then we keep constant tabs and progress of how that's gonna go. For me, I'm an embedded software engineer, so what that means is I work mainly with limited hardware. So this could be power limited, it could be memory limited, and we're designing software that, you are restricted, but again, it's when you're in the field and stuff, everything is limited, so it has to meet certain requirements. I'm currently working on embedded Linux applications at the minute. So what we're trying to do is improve networking. When we talk about that, we're talking about like Wi-Fi technologies, Ethernet technologies, Bluetooth technologies. The idea is that we're trying to develop systems where we have communication basically. So you may have a squad leader and he may want to talk to his soldiers within his squad. Obviously, other than radio communication, we want other ways where devices may give information back to the central area, so he can see maybe what you see, picture in picture. So that's something we're working with. So video streams, so a lot of digital work is the main one. Here, thermal imaging based stuff. So I think, to do software engineering well, you need to be able to do problem solving, work as a team, and have good communication. If you take examples from here, every day I'm coming in, there'll be a new requirement from a customer. There's really hard problems, you've got to break them down. Having that skill set to be able to break down something that sounds impossible, and then the end result when you deliver it is one of the best feelings in my opinion. That's the good thing about working in something embedded or software, you do get to see the end result. Teamwork, so here especially we do, you've got optical engineers, you've got mechanical engineers, and you've got myself who works in the electronic engineering department. Again, everyone's got different knowledge, and you've got to be able to communicate within each department. We all work together to make one product at the end of the day. So I went with the standard route for, I think a lot of people will go. So you do college, university. I did my Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science specifically at Swansea University. But one thing I did learn since I've been here for about my 4 years, they do degree apprenticeships at this place. So it's not the only route in. I thought it was, but that has sort of changed, especially they do like to do that here. So, and then we also do craft apprenticeships here, so they're more technical roles where you need hands-on experience. So for me, it's the always ever-changing challenges. Every day it's always something different, something new. That end feeling of you've done something and someone's actually seen what you've done. That's quite rewarding in itself. Go for it. Become a software engineer. It's pretty rewarding. Hard challenges every day. You're going to solve them, and you're going to see. You're going to make the world a difference. Really, I think that's the key thing.